Hi guys, welcome to this video. I wanted to do a very quick video, and this one is a good one because it will help you if you feel that the law of attraction isn't working for you, or if you feel that it's blocked in some way, or if you just want to know whether you're doing it in the right way. So it's very simple as well. That's sort of like the key to the whole thing. Okay, so if you're trying to use the law of attraction, here's the cool thing before we start: you can't get it wrong. Okay, because it's quite ethereal what we're talking about, let me just say that the foundation of what I believe is that the law of attraction does attract things into your life, but a lot of what happens is you're like a bridge. Okay, so you're meeting someone in the middle of a bridge, so you're meeting the law of attraction in the middle. Okay, there will be certain actions that you need to take in a lot of cases. In fact, if you're interested, so the video is not too long, do check out the link below, and I've put a guide together, attractyourdreams2you.com, and it will give you a complete guide to the law of attraction, and it will actually show you how I manifested a BMW M4, my dream car, into my life, and it will show you exactly how I did that with simple steps. But just to outlay, I believe that it helps to get you in a position spiritually and physically to take the steps, the physical steps that you need to. It helps you become the person that you need to be able to get what you haven't got. If you haven't got certain things in your life that you want, that can be for a lot of reasons, and a big reason can be because you're not ready for it yet, or you're not resonating at a level to be able to get that into your life. So I digress a little bit. Do check out the guide because it will make more sense. That's why I wrote the guide, attractyourdreams2you.com. And what I want to do in this video is just give you a really simple thing to do that will help you if you're trying to use the law of attraction. Okay, so do check out the other videos that I've done as well on the channel, because I did a set of them. So how to use the law of attraction, the reset method. There's also videos on the channel that go through in a step-by-step format, so you can check them out. And again, let me know what you think. I'm not saying that my way is the best way, I'm just saying how it's helped me and how it's worked for me. So do check them out, let me know what you think. I'd be interested to know your thoughts as well. Okay, so if you feel that law of attraction is being blocked in some way, here's a really simple way of looking at it. You've got everything that you want. Okay, so before you use the law of attraction, you need to desire something, you need to want something. One of the best ways to do this before you start with your wants is to reset first. And what I mean by that is, chances are the stronger the desire, the equal bad feeling it's conjuring in you. Okay, so bear with me. Let's say you need money right now. Okay, money's a really good one because everyone needs it, and a lot of people lack it or feel that they lack it. And if you need a lot of money right now and you start using law of attraction techniques, it can feel that you're fighting an uphill battle. Okay, it can feel that you're sort of really trying to stay positive and really trying to stay using the law of attraction and thinking good thoughts, and it's coming to me and all of that. And there's always that sense of doubt and bad feeling creeping up. And the stronger the desire, the more you need it, the more that feeling comes in. And that is because you've probably heard this before. I think I heard it off Esther Hicks, I believe, or Wayne Dyer. And it's basically this: that's because the more you're aware of the thing that you want, the more you're aware that you don't have it currently. So that creeps up. Okay, so it's everything is done with this sort of stuff, with your feelings inside. So one of the things you can do is reset first. So I recommend spending a day doing this for best results, or a few days. And that's just putting yourself in a position where you're just experiencing gratitude, and where you literally, not in a working sense, not in an effort sense, but you spend a couple of days really being grateful for what you've got and what you use. And one of the best ways that you can do this, that I've found have helped me, is to think of a saying, a quote from Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor. I think it's really good, and he basically said this: if you woke up tomorrow and the only things you had around you were the things that you said thank you for today, what would you have left? And chances are you know, if you're watching this, you're in quite a good spot. Okay, you're watching it on a computer, you're watching it on your phone, you've got things in your life that you once wanted. So the reason you're doing that, okay, I call it the reset, is because that's probably the best sense that you can be in a feeling sense. Even if you feel that you lack something, that is one of the best states of being, to be in a state of gratitude. So do anything you can to relax. And in a weird sort of way, let's say you need money, okay? By doing that, you're putting yourself in a state of relaxation and gratitude and peace and all of those good feelings. Then you can come back to what you want and maintain that level of feeling while you go through the mental steps using the law of attraction. So I hope that makes sense. I highly recommend, if you're feeling blocked or if you're feeling it's not working, it will probably be because of some junk, some stuff inside that's frustrating you, or that you need to sort of, you can't get rid of the stuff, but you need to be on a different state of feeling. Okay, so I hope I've explained that well. Do try it. That's what I do anyway. That's what works well for me. So I'm just trying to give you my take on it. And if you want the guide, do check it out. The link's below, and you can go to attractyourdreamstoyou.com to get the full guide. It's totally free, and it will tell you the story of the 3 steps, but it also tells you how I literally manifested a BMW M4. Didn't drop out of the sky, but I literally used the steps in that guide. So do check it out below. I think you'll really enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe if you like this. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.